Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 5th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing LIC Housing Finance Limited. First is the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility and I can't be held illegally for your profit or loss. So LIC Housing Finance, this is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. Now if you see the charts, I have drawn few trend lines and there are few moving averages, exponential moving averages. Now the alignment of exponential moving averages currently are showing downtrend because it has been in downtrend since a long time. So basically this was a correction. If you see, it has been moving up since this level, so chart is yet to refresh. So this was moving up and after moving at top this has retraced. So this is what we call a retracement, and consolidation and retracement are two different things. uh, I have made a video on that as well. If you want to look up, then I will paste a link in the description so that you can have a look. So this up move was there and after a top has been reached, it is started to correct. There was a retracement and now it looks like that the retracement is almost complete and it is currently resting at good support. The trend line alignment shows that a bottom formation might happen. Let's see the price level using some price projection techniques like Fibonacci level. So I will switch on to a weekly chart because then to draw a Fibonacci levels would be much easier because the chart would be much shorter. So if I see this level and I will draw this at this level. So now I will look for 61% and where the line is. So this is 61% and currently if you see, this was the level at which price had come down and then it has started to consolidate at that level. As we know that 61% retracement level is a very good support, and possibly if this holds, then from here we can see a up move going on in LIC Housing Finance. Now so if we see that it is at a good support, then does it mean that we go and buy? This is the question that you have to answer. What do you think about it? Please write in the comment section that we know that it is currently it is currently at good support, so 61% retracement level. Also this trend line, these trend lines show that this is currently at good support and possibly it may move up from that side, but before that a consolidation will happen and then finally it will start to go up. But then does it mean that since it is a good support shown by various technical tools and reasons and indicators, does it mean that we start buying it just because it is a good support? My answer would be no, because it is at a good support, but at many times we have seen that supports are broken. Now, what we need more to take a long trade on this is that yes, it is on good support, but it should show strength. Now, what we are looking for is a confirmation. So if I go again to the daily chart, I will see that at what level and at what the price action should do so that it gives me a reassurance that it is going up, and only after that reassurance that I can go and take the trade. So let's check this level. I will darken it so that you can have a look. So I'll change the color. Let's say I will make it red. So if you see this red line which I have drawn, red horizontal line, now this was the last high and this is a place where it became a support. So and this green moving average is 100-day moving average. So for me to go long, it is important that this level is broken. This level is around 610. So unless it goes above 610, I will not buy it. And possibly, as I see the pattern formation here, possibly this will go up from this level, but before that it will do a consolidation, and once it reaches there you will see a very quick up move coming in LIC housing finance. But when that will happen, this is difficult to tell, guys. This is very important that uh, we have to wait for a confirmation, because then if we have a confirmation, if we have a reassurance before taking a trade, it gives more confidence and more impetus in our trading, and then our trading will be stress free. So guys, this is something that you must understand this. Though it is a very good support level, I know that possibly this is going to go up, but still, since this might consolidate a bit, and let it show strength first, let the price action give a confirmation, and then only you take a trade. So possibly after 16, if it's after that, after breakout of this level, it shows the strength at that level, then we can definitely go and buy it. And then we will see some higher levels coming at around 800. So first target would be this level, which would be 710. So once this crosses 610 and comfortably sits around that level, then we will see a next target, which is 100 points up, that is 710. This is the level where this gap is, and but then first let it cross this level, and then we will definitely see some higher levels. So that's it, guys. If you have any further queries, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. And do keep LIC housing in your watch list, because very soon we are going to see a very good move in LIC housing. So that's it, guys. If you have any further queries, then do comment, and if you have any further suggestions on these videos, you can do comment, and then I will see that what else I can do. So that's it. Bye for now.